Hello children, a very good morning to all. Welcome back to English class. This is Unit 3, Part 5. So in this video, you're going to have another story which you have to read yourself and understand and answer the questions that follow. A mother's wise advice. A mother's wise advice. Once upon a time, the son of Brahmadatta was ruling righteously in Benares, in northern India. It came to pass that the king of Kosala made war, killed the king of Benares, and took the queen as a prisoner. So, once upon a time, what happened? The son of Brahmadatta was ruling righteously in Benares. It's a place name in northern India. Then Kosala, the king of Kosala, had made a war with this Brahmadatta, with the son of Brahmadatta, and killed the king of Benares and took the queen as a prisoner to the kingdom. Okay. Then meanwhile, the queen's son, whose son, queen's son, the queen who has been taken as a prisoner, escaped by sneaking away through the sewers. Then this queen's son has been escaped from the prison. Okay, in the countryside, he eventually raised a large army and surrounded the city. Then he wanted to release her mother, the queen, from the prison. So what he did? He escaped from the prison and he raised a large army to bring her mother back from the prison. He sent a message to the king, the murderer of his father. He told him to surrender the kingdom or fight a battle. Then the queen's son, who raised an army and surrounded the city, he has sent a letter, he has sent a message to the king that fight, he want to fight a battle to um, surrender he asked him to surrender his kingdom, otherwise to fight a battle. He sent a message to the king. The prince's mother heard of this threat from her son by some faithful servants. Prince's mother means the queen who has been uh, taken as a prisoner. Son, he is the prince now. So she came to know that her son made a threat to the king and he want to fight a battle. Okay. Then she was a gentle and kind woman who wanted to prevent violence and suffering and killing. So she doesn't want to make the trouble the people of the kingdom, and she doesn't want violence and suffering and killing also. So she gave a very good advice to her son. So she sent a message to her son, there is no need for the risk of battle. So it would be wiser to close every entrance to the city. See, if there is a war between two kingdoms, then there will be a lot of loss to the lives of the people, those who are in the kingdom, and also there will be a scarcity and all these things. So struggles also, they have to suffer for so many days and years. So she doesn't want to have all this in the kingdom. So she gave a very good idea. She gave a wiser advice to her son. What is that advice? She asked him to close every entrance to the city. Eventually, the lack of food, water, and firewood will wear down the citizens. Then, if the city is blocked, then what happens? There will be no food for the people, no milk, food, or firewood. or any other trading also, then what happens? The country will be blocked. Then the people suffer with hunger. Then the king will come to some there is a chance of getting the kingdom back. So she gave that idea to the prince. Then they will give the city to you without any fighting. So this is a very good idea. So without any battle, without any fighting, the prince can get back his kingdom back. The prince decided to follow his mother's wise advice. Wise advice means clever advice, clever idea. His army blockaded the city of 7 days for 7 days and nights. Then what he did, he raised an army. So along with his army, what he did, the prince blocked the city for 7 days and nights. So the citizens suffered a lot, and they came to know that his king was awful, okay, unlawful. Then what the citizens did? The citizens captured their unlawful king, cut off his head and delivered it to the prince. Then the citizens themselves, what they did? They went to the king and cut off his head and delivered it to the prince. He entered the city triumphantly and became the new king of Benares. So triumphantly means so proudly he went into the city, he entered the city and occupied the kingdom. Okay, and he became the new king of Benares. So this is the lesson. This is what the mother's wise advice to her son. Okay. So here is a small assignment. 3 questions are there. You have to write answers for them. Children, so this is your assignment. I think you have understood the story. Now let us answer these questions. How did the prince escape? How did he escape? The prince escaped by sneaking away through the sewers. So the prince escaped by sneaking away through the sewers. Okay. Then the second question, why did the prince's mother try to stop the battle? Why did she stop? Why? Because as she was so gentle and kind woman, she wanted to prevent violence and suffering and killing. So she doesn't want to make a battle. Okay. She doesn't want to make a risk of battle. So she gave a wise advice to her son. So she want to stop. Why? Because she was a gentle and kind woman. Then the next question, how did the prince get his kingdom back? How did the prince get his kingdom back? How he got the kingdom? By blocking the city for the prince along with his army blocked the city for 7 days and night. In that way, he got his kingdom back. Okay. These are the answers for the questions. Write these questions and also answers which I said now in your notebooks. This is your assignment. Okay, children. Bye bye. See you in the next class.